A lean approach to research. The A3 template for lean construction, the core principle of lean construction, eliminating waste, isn't limited to building projects. It can also be applied to the research process itself. Just as a design or product has inefficiencies, so too does the creation of new knowledge. This article introduces an A3 template, adapted from business methodology, to streamline research in lean construction, making it more efficient and focused. Why this matters: research is often seen as exploratory, but it's also a production system. The output is new knowledge, not a physical product. By treating research like any other production process, we can identify and reduce wasted effort, improve focus, and increase the likelihood of impactful results. This is particularly crucial in lean construction, where practical application is as important as theoretical advancement. The A3 framework. A holistic overview inspired by the business model Canvas, the A3 template provides a single-page overview of a research project. It breaks down the process into 3 key areas: ends, the goals, means how to achieve those goals, and constraints, the limitations. This structure forces researchers to consider all critical components up front, fostering a more strategic and efficient approach. Defining the ends. Goals of research. Every research project must answer 3 fundamental questions. Contribution to knowledge. How does this research advance the field? Contribution to practice. How will this research improve real-world applications in lean construction? Dissemination. How will findings be shared through publications and presentations? Without clear objectives, even groundbreaking discoveries remain useless if they don't reach the people who can apply them. The means. How research will be conducted. The means section outlines the tools and resources needed to achieve the research goals. This includes concepts, the underlying philosophical framework guiding the research, e.g., a specific theory or paradigm. Methodology, the systematic approach used to collect and analyze data. Evidence, the data that supports or challenges the research hypothesis. Funding and partnerships, the financial and collaborative resources enabling the project. Researchers often operate within established research paradigms, like the transformation flow value, TFV, theory in lean construction. Most work builds on existing knowledge rather than overturning it entirely. Navigating constraints, realistic boundaries. Research isn't limitless. The constraints section acknowledges the boundaries researchers must operate within. Problem statement, a clear, focused research question. Literature review, the existing knowledge base that informs the study. Scope, the defined boundaries of the investigation. Timeframe, the available time to complete the project. Narrowing these constraints can force creative thinking and prevent wasted effort on overly ambitious or undefined projects. Funding, university, and industry partners also impose constraints through limitations on resources, data access, or project direction. Using the A3 template in practice, researchers should use the A3 to map out their plan early in the project, sharing it with advisors and stakeholders. The template ensures alignment between goals, methods, and limitations, minimizing wasted effort later on. As the project evolves, the A3 should be revisited and updated, treating initial assumptions as hypotheses until validated by evidence. The long-term benefit. Standardizing research. The A3 is a step towards standardizing the lean construction research process. By providing a structured framework, it can reduce wasted effort, improve communication, and ensure that research efforts are focused and effective. As more researchers adopt this approach, the template can evolve to reflect best practices, further optimizing the creation of new knowledge. Ultimately, applying lean principles to research itself is about maximizing impact, ensuring that every effort contributes to both theoretical advancement and practical improvement in the field of lean construction.